I'm Lisa, and welcome to SAGA Studio. Here I create content based on K-pop Demon Hunters, my own storylines, my plot twists, my own take on the characters. I'll be spinning stories you haven't seen before. And between videos, I'll sometimes show you the behind the scenes, how it all gets edited to CapCut, and how the graphics are made in Photoshop. Today I will show you a quick behind the scenes guide on how I made my last video. Let's break down one of the scenes. I will walk you through how I bring the characters onto my graphics tablet and build the shots step by step, all the way to the final result you will see at the end. This is just a small part of the whole video making process. Right now I'm working in Ibis Paint. Here I prepare the base for the preview and then I move over to Photoshop to fine-tune the contrast and bring out the RGB lighting in the image. Once the image is ready, my assistant takes over. He adds the effects and polishes everything up. So the picture is ready to go straight to the thumbnail. Our studio is a team of three, small but tiny, and together we create all the content you see here. Our story is just beginning. Subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. See you soon at Saja Studio.